On behalf of Quorum Business Advisors, welcome to this lesson. Selling your business. Everything you need to know. This lesson is part of an educational series from us to you, setting out everything you need to know when selling your business. Before we get started, we at Quorum Business Advisors would like to express our thanks for considering us to help guide you on this all-important and exciting journey. Quorum Business Advisors comprises highly skilled, professional, board-certified, and accredited intermediaries. Owner Anthony Rigney is the former president, North Florida chapter of Business Brokers of Florida. The business offers professional business brokerage services including buyer searches, business sales, valuations, and exit planning. You've devoted time and put in hard work to make your business a success and have finally arrived at this important decision to sell. We understand it's not always an easy decision to make, but it is important to fully understand all the aspects involved so that you can get full value when you sell it and successfully move on to your next chapter. Let's begin. Business brokers are experienced, highly trained professionals who will coordinate the successful sale of your business. There are certain things that sellers mistakenly think that business brokers are responsible for or can do. Let's take a closer look at some of the things business brokers can do and can't do. Business brokers can assist you in determining the right price to go to market with for the sale of your business. Structure the terms and conditions that will be fair to both the seller and the buyer. Professionally market your business using intuitive tools and premium collateral to qualified buyers. Identify the right buyers. Liaise with both you and the buyer at every stage of the transaction right up until the keys and funds are exchanged. Strategically adjust the terms and conditions and unique selling propositions to meet the demands of changing economic clients and buyer segmentation. Business brokers can't sell businesses that are overpriced to buyers, determine the market's volatility, or control the sale price buyers can afford. Guarantee the amount a bank will lend you or the buyer in respect of the sale of your business. Determine how much seller financing the bank will request for the transaction. What your business broker can do for you is to meticulously structure your transaction with the right terms to optimize your selling price and boost the probability of sale. Because that's what they are trained to do. You might be thinking, how long will it take to sell your business? You have to understand that all businesses, like their owners, are unique. Their needs and operating conditions are vastly different. So, for these reasons, their attractiveness to buyers is also different. That being said, a business that is aggressively priced in a sought-after industry could take anywhere between 3 to 6 months to sell. There are various factors that ensure businesses sell very quickly or are on the market for a tad longer. This has a lot to do with the complexities of a business and also how it's priced. Businesses not aggressively priced could take longer to sell. But it must be noted that businesses that are overpriced are most likely not going to sell at all. Remember that these are only estimations. The sale of a business involves lots of complexities that determine whether it'll be an expedited sale or one that stays on the market for a longer period. As a seller, it's in your best interest to ensure that your business broker has everything he or she requires to successfully market the business. The more information he or she has available, the better the quality of buyers you will see, and the shorter the time frame your business will remain on the market. Add to this the all-important priced right factor. Work with your business broker to price your business correctly from the outset. If you price it incorrectly, you could turn away qualified buyers that are an ideal fit for your business. Many studies and surveys have illustrated that the down payment is often the primary factor that results in a quick sale of the business. A reduced down payment not only opens up a different market of buyers, which means more exposure for your business, but also results in quicker sale. Speak to your business broker, who will happily assist you to find the right down payment structure for your business sale. Apart from being exposed to a bigger buyer market, a smaller down payment is also indicative to a buyer that the business is sufficiently sound to repay its loans and service its debt. So, why is seller financing so critical to the expeditious and successful sale of your business? Several reports and surveys have indicated that sellers who request all cash settlement only receive 70% of their asking price. On the other hand, sellers who are amenable to terms receive 86% of their asking price. That's a sizable difference, and it definitely makes the case for seller financing. Businesses for sale with reasonable terms always sell faster than businesses listed as cash only. Businesses sold on terms also have a shorter period on the market from listing date to the sale. As a seller, you stand to make a great deal of interest if you finance the sale of your business. It might reduce your tax liability, as it helps distribute the capital gains tax over several years, and it may also ensure you receive a higher amount for the sale of your business. Doesn't that sound like a win-win scenario? As always, it is strongly recommended you speak with your accountant or tax advisor. You have a buyer for your business. Now what? That's excellent news. This means that all your hard work has finally paid off. Your reward for your energy and time is closer than you think. We at Quorum Business Advisors will ensure all of the relevant documentation are prepared, one of them being either an offer or proposal. This offer or proposal will contain contingencies. The number will depend on the terms and conditions stipulated early in the engagement between you, as the seller, and the business broker. Included in the offer or proposal will be a review of your specific documentation, and these could be a review of your financial statements, lease agreement and its terms, license requirements, or other important information relating to your business. Once the buyer's offer is submitted to you, you have the choice to accept or reject the offer. This is completely at your discretion. You may then choose to submit a counter-proposal. A word of caution if you do this. Once you propose a counteroffer, the buyer's original offer is off the table. Once you and the buyer are in full agreement and all terms are to both parties' satisfaction, your business broker will liaise with all parties to remove the contingencies as reflected in the offer or proposal. Now, it must be noted that your cooperation as the seller is crucial to the success during these last hurdles of the transaction. Being uncooperative may signal to the buyer that you have something to hide. At no point do we want to give the buyer an opportunity to renege on the deal. Once the buyer and his or her team of professionals, attorneys, accountants, and so forth, are satisfied, we'll arrange a meeting with all parties to sign the final documentation, at which time there will be a handover of keys, the funds distributed to you as the seller, and the buyer will take legal possession of the business. It may all sound complicated, but don't worry. As professional business brokers, we will guide you every step of the way until the deal is closed. You may be thinking, what can you do to help sell your business? It's simple to give all parties, including your business broker, other professionals, including attorneys and accountants, your full cooperation. Make the relevant financial data available to the buyer to ensure no delays in the sale process. Remember, if you have found a buyer, time is of the essence. As with so many businesses currently on the market, the last thing you want is an interested buyer to withdraw his or her interest. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. On behalf of Quorum Business Advisors, we'd like to thank you for listening. Tune in next time. If you have any questions about selling your business, please do not hesitate to get in touch.